Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look based off of the meaning of my name. And I'm not going to tell you the meaning of my name, even though I feel like it's a little bit obvious from the makeup that I created from it. But if you guys want to learn the meaning of my name and kind of why I did this look, then please keep watching. But I did want to mention, thank you so much for 900 subscribers. I'm so happy. It makes me so proud and just, you guys make my day. So thank you so much, and yeah, please keep watching if you want to see this look. Alrighty, so I'm starting out with just some foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and look up the meaning of Marjory. Okay, so it means pearl. So my name means pearl, and I'm gonna look up what pearl symbolizes. What do pearls symbolize? The pearl is a symbol of perfection in incorruptibility. It's a symbol of a long life and fertility, and because of its luster, it often is considered a moon symbol. The pearl represents hidden knowledge, and it is highly feminine. Okay, so that is, I guess, the inspiration for what this look is going to become. So I'm thinking, because of the feminine aspect and also the knowledge, I feel like I always think of the color purple when I think of knowledge for some reason. So I might have some purple in there. But first, before I get into all of that, I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face. And you guys, I'm just going to do it how I normally do it because I'm not matching right now. Okay, so now that I'm a little bit bronzed up, I don't look as dead. I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyebrows. Now, kind of what I wanted to do is lay down my eyebrows a little bit. I'm sorry, my nephew's playing with like an instrument. I wanted to lay down my eyebrows a little bit and then add like pearls all over my eyebrow. So I'm adding that Elmer's glue onto my eyebrows. So they're pretty stuck down, especially this one. And now I'm going to go ahead and cover my eyebrows with some powder. I'm just taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just gonna pat that on. And now I'm not gonna be covering my eyebrows. I'm just kind of doing this just to have like a base for the pearls. Okay. So now that that is done, I'm gonna let that kind of sit in my eyebrows for a little. And then I'm gonna move on to my eyelid area. So I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the shade Buon Fresco, I think, or Buon Fresco, I don't know. And I'm going to go ahead and add that into my crease, and I'm using a super small brush because I kind of want it to be very precise. I don't want it to be too diffused out. I just kind of want that color in that area. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this other eye. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the powder around my eyebrows, just like that, and then we'll get back to the eyebrows in a second. So now I'm going to go ahead and go into my Carly Bible palette, which the deluxe version, and I'm going to grab this shade, which is kind of like a darker version of the shade that we just put in, and it's a little bit more mauvey pink, and I'm going to go ahead and add that on top. So I'm just creating a crease, really intense crease right there. And I'm going to take that same shade and add it underneath my eye, but just like in this little crease. It's not going to be along the lash line. So I'm just adding it there, and I'm going to drag it out and meet it up on that outer corner. Kind of looks like I got punched in the face, but it's fine. Do the same thing on this eye. Okay, and now with this light shade right here, this one right there, I'm going to go ahead and grab a flat shader brush and pack that all over my eyelid. And I'm going to go ahead and grab that same shade and add it on my lower lash line against the lashes. Okay, and now I look crazy. I'm going to go ahead and take that first little blending brush and kind of blend everything together. Blend those edges. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. And I'm going to add that on the very inner corner. And also on the outer corner. So you have it on the inner and the outer corner. Go ahead and add a little bit more right there. Okay, so then now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the pearls on the eyebrows. So I have this whole pack of like so many pearls. So I think what I'm gonna do is just place them on the eyebrow with some glue. So I originally was gonna do my whole eyebrow, but I kind of feel like I want to just stop it there. And I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil and just kind of darken up that outer part of the eyebrow. Even though we already have like glue on it and stuff, just to get a little bit darker. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush. So I have this Jouer blush that is so beautiful right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add that onto my cheeks. I think it works very well with this look. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add pearls around my eye. I kind of want to do like, what is that called? Like stripes coming out of my eye. Rays, that's the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and add glue right here. And then another dot there. And then another one here. And we'll see, maybe I want to add 4. But I'm going to start with just those 3. So I'm going to start with a larger one at the base of my eye. Like that. Then a little bit of a smaller one. Okay, so that is 1 down, and now I'm going to go ahead and do like 3 more. Alrighty, so the rays on my eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara because I'm looking real weird right now. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this mascara. It's just the, which one is this one? The L'Oreal Paris, which one is this? Lash Paradise mascara. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with that little blending brush that we were using before and that same like purpley mauve shade right here. And I'm going to add it in between those rays on the lower lash line and drag it down. Okay, and I'm actually going to kind of apply that on my lash line and drag it up and meet that crease color. So it's like that a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab that same shade and I'm going to contour my lips with it. I'm going to take this blush from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to go over that area that I blushed before. Kind of want it more rosy, and I'm going to bring that into the lines that we just created, and I'm going to put that across my nose as well. And now I'm just going to go back in with some bronzer because I'm still feeling a little bit pale. And I'm going to bronze up my face. Okay. And now the last two steps are going to be putting on lashes and finishing up with the lips. Okay. So lashes are on. Now we're just going to finish off with the lips. So I have a couple different like lip colors that I want to use, but I really kind of like that purple thing I have going on. So this shade I feel like is kind of similar. It's it's Jordana's Baby Berry. And I'm going to kind of just go over that area that we contoured. It's a little bit more of a berry shade, but it has like that purpley mauvey undertone. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab this NYX Professional Lip Liner in Whipped Caviar. It's a lot more of like a reddy, salmon-y color. I'm going to have that coming from the inside. Just like that. And now I'm going to go over my whole lip with my finger and the NARS bronzer. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.